Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Ioniq Plug-in Hybrid. The sleek-looking Hyundai Ioniq Plug-in Hybrid offers a nice, quiet ride while providing ample comfort. The Ioniq was built with efficiency in mind, but it will still give you a sporty driving experience. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated front seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.